Okay, I recently had done one of these, a Varmint XL-110 mobile, but I'm trying to pack some stuff away and get stuff out the way for Dayton, and I got this in a local, mostly junk lot sale, and you know, I got enough mobile tube amplifiers, but since I had it and before I put it away in the junk pile or the closet, whatever I was gonna put it, I was like, well, let me fire it up or test it and see what this thing got inside of it. And I was pretty surprised. Even before I opened it up, it had this tag on the back. $125 on it. And it had on there, if you can see it, clean and paint, new tubes, and it's got 6 kV6s in it, which is the best little small Baldie tube that they make for these things. And the tubes were marked at $39.80, and it's got 100 watts in it. So I'm like, okay, let's open it up. So even before we open it up, we did see that the original AM SSB switches underneath there were taken out, and we did find that on the front here that this switch down is on and standby, and then middle is off, and then up is on and operate. And we found that this switch here is down is AM, and then up is SSB, and it's got the tune and load on the front with no knobs on it. I think the load didn't come with a knob, and the plate did, but it doesn't look too bad, and since I didn't have a matching knob. And also, let me turn it off and set the camera down and see if I can get this cover off. Yeah, I knew I shouldn't have pushed it down on there. Come on off of there. There you go. And we got it on and warming up. It doesn't run the high voltage until you actually key it down, and then the chopper's in the back chop up the DC and put that chopped up DC into the transformer, and the transformer converts it to the high voltage AC. The two tubes in series, 6 volt, are in series, and they just run right off the 13.8 DC coming in, and so does the rest of the low voltage components. You know, I already did one, and this one's basically the same amp, except somebody moved the on off or the on standby switch from underneath and made that one a 3-pin, and then the AM SSB switch added to the front. So not the prettiest thing. Yeah, I do like the little size of this cute little amplifier, and it's got looks like new 6 kV6s in it, like the tag said, and I'm happy with that. RCAs. And she ought to be warm. I liked that it light up. I didn't do anything but change the caps. It had the original old caps in it. We did change those. And regular mud duck radio I always use, and on the dummy load. So let's fire it up and see what we got. I like one thing, the whine is not very loud in this one. That's good. And we're on RMS, and we're dead keying about almost 80. Listening to about 110. Talking, we almost standing still, barely bumping forward on average. And last we're gonna put it on peak. Audio. 150 peak out of this thing. Not bad. I kind of like it with those two 6 kV6, which I said are the heaviest of those small Baldie tubes. So that's about the most you're gonna get out of these things. So I'm pretty happy with it, and that's why I decided to go ahead and do a video on this one before I put it in the closet. That's it for Varmint XL-110 Mobile number 2. Bye.